What's up, people? I hope everybody is having a wonderful Friday. I have an unboxing I want to do with you all today. Something I've been researching, and I wanted to go ahead and get it. My birthday is coming up in about 2 months, July 26th. Anybody that wants to know, I'll be 45 years old. I'm so happy that the Lord has allowed me to make it this far to this day. And I pray that He lets me see my year 45 in 2 months or so. Well, a little less than 2 months from today. But I want to unbox this with you all. Something that I think is going to be beneficial for, not just for my business, but also I do media for my church. So I think this would be beneficial for that too when I need to do things on the fly and do things quickly. So here we go. For everybody to see is the new iPad Air. It's the 5th generation, and I'm excited. I'm excited about this. I had the iPad Pro, and I bought the first generation when it first came out. It's big, it's bulky, it's a little bit heavy, and it's kind of, for what I want to do, is definitely outdated. So I will be selling that one for a reasonable price, and I bought this from Amazon, and let's get into it. Yeah. I'm gonna open boxes from Apple, because nobody does it better than Apple. Okay, I'll get it up sometime today, y'all. Voila. There we go. iPad Air. And this is the purple. I got this color because somebody got theirs before me, and this is the color they wanted. So to be petty, I got a color they wanted. Anyway, so here we go. What comes in the box? Just a charging cable, basically. I don't think anything else is in here. Okay, yeah, that's it. Of course, you know the instructions. Stickers. Whatever else. And that's it. This is just cardboard, so it's really not a lot in these things anymore. It used to be, a lot more stuff in it than this, but it's nothing really that I need to read. Go ahead and boot it up. Hello. They sent it to me with some juice to it already. when we set it up, it's okay. So an easier way to do this would be to bring my iPhone or my other iPad close to it. It seems like it's wanting me to do it the original way, which I'm okay with that. Because see, it took me back. So it's definitely wanting me to do it the way of just setting it up with my other iPad. So you guys stay right there and I'll be right back. Here's my iPad Pro. So it says bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPad to sign in and set up. go. Breathe. A few minutes. Just want to say this again. I am excited. I'm so excited about this. I'm going to explain to you all why I'm so excited. Set up everything, my card numbers and everything in here. I can do that later. Continue there. Passwords. Welcome. So this one again is the newest. This is 5th generation iPad Air. It has the M1 chip in it, so it is extremely fast. It actually looks like most of the things that I had on this computer also. I mean, on this iPad Pro, some of those things are over here, so I'll go through and make sure everything is here. But the thing that I really wanted this for, and I want to be extremely transparent, is for see this? These are some of the apps that I already had. Procreate, I have that, so that if you don't know what Procreate is, you're able to draw, stitch, all those types of things in there. I have that, haven't used it, but I bought it, so I'm going to download it again in here. But what I wanted this for is, this is you guys see, Final Cut Pro for iPads. I have used Final Cut Pro for years. I used it going back to 2007 is when I started using Final Cut Pro for editing videos for my church. I started doing videography and doing also recording, doing concerts and things like that. Final Cut Pro is what I use to edit film. Well, now I can do it from my iPad. Anyone that is on the go a lot like I am, and is very seldom when they're filming and those types of things or taking pictures, anyone like that is on the go all the time and is traveling and needs to edit film or whatever, wherever they are, this is going to be your new friend. From what I've read and videos that I've watched, this thing has everything going for it that it would have on your desktop. You can use the pencil on this. My pencil, I have it right here, but it's dead, so that's a whole nother story. But this is going to be what people use. So I'm excited about this. I just want to show you all my new friend, which is the iMac. I'm sorry, that's another one that I want to get, but it is the iPad Air 5th generation with the M1 chip, and it is extremely fast. I'm excited. If you guys want more information about this, there are so many videos out there with the specs and everything on this, but I will drop the link in my in the bio of where I purchased mine. And that's all, guys. That's all I have for you today. Listen, everybody, have a wonderful rest of your day and have a wonderful weekend. All right, get some rest, do whatever it is you need to do around your house, but rest and enjoy family. All right, peace out. I'll talk to you all soon. Want to see my face? Here it is. All right, peace out. Bye-bye.